Okay, let's review a couple speed bumps that you're going to possibly find as you try to get started with the program. First one is this one here. When you get started, what you're going to probably see is this that the installation program is not a commonly downloaded program, and therefore it's going to try your browser is going to try to warn you that you might want to double check before doing that. Well, the program has been verified. I can show you where I've run the installation program through VS Total, which is an application that runs through a 70, two different engines that try to detect errors, and it has a 70 out of 72 success rate, which is quite good. The other two will just be false positives, so don't worry about that at all. And so what you want to do is just go through and click on the ellipsis next to the trash can and then say keep. Now this will vary depending upon what browser you're using, but this is Microsoft Edge, and we can then need to click the ellipsis next down here on the delete button, and we're going to say keep anyway. Okay, at that point, then you get the normal file installation that you're used to seeing, where it's quite clean. Okay, so when we run the program, then let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so quite quick. Okay, now, so then the second hurdle you're going to get is that my application is running with the very latest .NET library, and it's version 10. Okay, so that is we need to download that now if it doesn't find it already on your system. And again, it's version 10. So we click on .NET 10. Now this page, of course, is quite daunting. There's lots of options here, but you simply want to go to your desktop, runtime 10, and you're more than likely, if your machine is fairly new, it's going to be the X64 version that you're after. And then you come over here and run that. It's just another program, and you install that library onto your system. Okay, at which point, and then we close it. Okay, now that's it. So at this point, what we can do is we'll just go ahead and close down the browser. Come here and the program was loaded, and I've already got the folder here just to show you. The program was loaded onto your C drive in the program. The program files 86 folder, and then in the U4D subfolder, and then in the dictation box DB folder, and within that folder, there's a file called db.dat, and you want to import that using your Dragon command browser in order to get the db command installed. So when you're ready to use the program, you simply say db, and then that'll bring up the program. And so the program looks like this, as you've already seen on the website. Okay, and then it's just a matter of then using it as an extensive help file if you click on the help me or say help me, and so forth. So you should be good to go at this point. Thank you.